Alright kiddies, Papa Zeppelin will now build a Windows 98 project for which I have dreamt of building since I was a 5-year-old kid. Ever since I played on my uncle's Pentium 3 powered tiny PC. I put out a poll on Twitter earlier this week to decide the name for said Windows 98 project, and Wild Dog M500, aka the Femboy, came up with the best name for the PC build. Yep, he literally came up with the name of Car 98 from Girls Frontline as the meme name of Windows 98K, and thus the project name is now Project 98K. And with this project, I intend to go up against greats such as the Megaluminum Monster by Lazy Game Reviewer, Akbakuku's 20th anniversary Windows 98 build, and of course, yes, MattKC's ultimate Windows 98 PC in the short stack form that is known as Car 98 in Girls Frontline. Oh, I do wonder how Piss Boys can build such a thing, considering he has a fucking Chromebook. Here are the specs of Project 98K. As you can see from the order sheet, I am upgrading the cards that she came with originally, and I'm of course buying, may not be in the screenshots, but I'm buying two 256 meg sticks to make 512 megs of DDR400 RAM. Since Windows 98 has a problem with RAM above 512 megs, it'll have instability. It'll ara the RAM and the computer. So, ara little ones. On the 15th I should go to the Wisp's house to build this thing with her. Yes, we will have to make a build video with the Enterprise. You can see it as much as you want, haters. This isn't happening. I'm still going there next week to build my dear Project 98K.